I'm sharing a reading experience. I took down notes from The Intentional Experiment by Lynn McTaggart, and I'm sharing them with you now. I hope you listen and receive something worthwhile from this. Remember, these are just my ideas, not necessarily a report of what the book is about. It may not even be the words or thoughts of the author. Rather, these words are what I gleaned or thought about while reading. These notes are what caught my interest because the ideas expanded my knowledge or made me think or reflect or ponder in some way. This video might inspire you to read what I did. It's my hope that you'll search from the best books and gain informations and ideas to help you to become a better person. The more you read, the better you'll think. And the better you think, the more you'll be able to face life's challenges successfully. St. Augustine wrote, "Miracles do not happen in contradiction to nature, but only in contradiction to that which is known in nature." A thought is not only a thought is a thing that influences other things. Things have no meaning in isolation. They have meaning only in a web of dynamic interrelationships. It has been found out that once in contact, particles retain an eerie, remote hold over each other. Any action influences the other, no matter how far they are separated. For instance, the magnetic orientation of one subatomic particle instantaneously influences the other. This type of instantaneous connection would require information traveling faster than the speed of light. Living things are constant transmitters and receivers of energy. Intention appears to be something akin to a tuning fork, causing the tuning forks of other things in the universe to resonate at the same frequency. Once subatomic particles, such as electrons and protons, are in association with each other, they remain cognizant and are influenced by each other instantaneously over any distance forever. The activity of entangled particles is like a set of twins being separated at birth, but retaining identical interest and telepathic connections forever. Even the most conservative physicist accepts non locality as a strange feature of the subatomic reality. Inside our bodies, atoms and molecules are entangled in an instantaneous and ceaseless passing back and forth of information. The constant interaction allows one particle to be in touch with every other particle. All matter is interconnected through quantum waves. Zeilinger group demonstrated that molecules could be in two places at once. They proved the unthinkable, that the largest components of physical matter and living things exist in a flexible state. Things don't exist in and of themselves. They exist only in a relationship to other things. Even simple movements creates a relationship. Every movement we make appears to be felt by people all around us. Human beings appear to be both receivers and transmitters of quantum signals. In fact, every organism appears to be in perpetual quantum communication. Our bodies anticipate and act out our own future emotional states to cushion itself against a future blow and also work out its emotional meaning. In later research, psychiatrist Professor Richard Davidson demonstrated that meditation alters brainwave patterns, even among new practitioners. Meditation increased activation of the happy thoughts part of the brain and enhanced the immune function. Ordinarily, cortexual thickness deteriorates as a result of aging. Regular prayer and meditation appears to reduce and, in some cases, reverse the process. Prayer and meditation affected both the analytical reasoning and the intuitive subconscious or gut instinct. Regular prayer and meditation appeared to increase the ability to receive intuitive information and be aware of it. Perhaps these altered thought patterns enlarge a portion of the brain to be a more powerful receiver. Anticipatory joy helps animals to investigate and work out the meaning of their environment. When the animal has high anticipation, interest, or curiosity, the hypothalamus lights up and the feel good chemicals dopamine is produced. The true purpose of the chemical is to arouse a certain neural pathway. In other studies, it was noted that our bodies do not distinguish between a chemical process and a thought of a chemical process. In other words, the intention brought about by the expectation of working produced the physical change. In one study, intentions, which asked cells to return to their natural order, inhibited cancer cell growth by 39%. The ultimate aspiration or purpose of life is a honing thought that each one of us can hold on to. Lost airplane pilots have used this to find their way home. Our honing thought can be used in difficult moments to hold us steadfast on our course. Every thought we have in the present alters our entire history. In fact, evidence seems to point to the fact that the very act of intention of making a change in the present may also affect everything that has led to that moment. And once constructed, a thought is lit forever. Every thought we have, every judgment we hold, is having an effect. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, kind regards.